I'm going to show you reflexes for the upper and lower extremity. So let's do C5. Let's do the bicep. Here, the bicep tendon right here. I'm going to put my thumb directly on the bicep tendon. Make sure the rest of her arm is supported completely with the rest of my arm. Keeping her in a neutral position, I'm going to use the pointed part of the hammer, and I'm going to tap on my thumbnail. You relax, you relax. And can you see the reflex to the bicep? C5. Now C6, I'm going to do the brachioradialis tendon, this region right here. I'm going to turn to the flat part of the hammer now. I still have her hands supported with the rest of my arm here. You relax, you relax. And here you can see the hand moving, and you can see a little bit of the BR contraction right there. All right, C7, I'm gonna rotate her arm internally. I'm gonna support with my web space the rest of this arm. Here she dangles, her arm is dangling. Back to the pointed end of the reflex hammer, and I'm gonna tap on the tricep tendon right in this region right here for C7. You relax, you relax. And I'm gonna switch arms. Here I switch hands. Support with this one. Get on that bicep tendon. I like to keep her neutral in the forearm. And you relax. I do a little shake of the arm to relax. Back to the point. C6. I'm sorry, C5. C6. Tricep. C7. Now I'm going to raise the table up because I'm going to do lower extremity. If you can scoot back just a little bit. I also want to make sure her calves aren't too supported, so maybe scoot up just a little bit. There you go. But I do, of course, want her feet off the floor. So I'm going to grab my stool, and we're going to do, since I'm on this side, we are going to do the left patellar tendon first. I find the inferior pole of the patella, and then I find the tibial tubercle. And I like to do this when I first show this. I put my finger on the tibial tubercle. I put this other finger on the bottom inferior pole of the patella. And now using the pointed end of the hammer, I tap in between my fingers and to elicit the reflex. So I shake her a little bit to get her to relax, to relax. Do it again. And now I go to the other side. Inferior pole patella, other finger on tubercle, and here with the pointed end again. Relax. Now this one might be better viewed from the side coming this way. With the flat part of my hand, I get her to relax the foot and I bring her into some dorsi, some passive dorsi. I switch to the square end of the reflex hammer. Have her relax, and now I'm going to tap right here at the Achilles tendon. Now you can stay there, and I'll show you on this one. I support the relax. I bring her into some dorsi. Don't go into in-range dorsi, but bring her into some dorsi. Use the flat part of the hammer. Here's her Achilles right there. And those are the reflexes.